Hey everyone, blockchain philosopher here. Today we're going to show how you can explain blockchain to anyone, even a boomer. So let's go to the AI.
Today we're going to explain blockchain in simple terms. Hopefully, after this session, you will be able to explain blockchain to anyone. Blockchain sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. If you've ever wondered how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin work or why blockchain is revolutionizing everything from finance to supply chains, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking it down using a simple framework that I call S.O.L.I.D. This is a simple acronym that captures the core principles making blockchain so powerful. Let's jump in. S is for security, cryptographic security. At the heart of blockchain security is cryptography, especially a function called SHA-256. This is a mathematical algorithm that turns any piece of data into a fixed-length digital fingerprint, called a hash. Even a tiny change in the original data creates a completely different hash. This makes tampering almost impossible because the network can instantly detect if something has been altered. O is for open source. Most blockchains are built on open source software. That means the code is publicly available for anyone to inspect, audit, or improve. There's no hidden system running behind closed doors. Transparency builds trust because anyone can verify how the system works instead of blindly trusting a company or authority. L is for ledger. A blockchain is essentially a distributed ledger, a shared database that records transactions. Instead of being stored in one central place, copies of this ledger exist on thousands of computers around the world. Everyone sees the same version, making fraud and manipulation extremely difficult. I is for immutable. Once data is written to the blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted. It becomes part of a permanent historical record. This immutability turns blockchain into a kind of digital stone tablet, ideal for preserving truth over time. D is for decentralized. There is no single owner or controller. Power is spread across the network. Decisions are made by consensus, not by a central authority. In summary, blockchain is a secure, open, distributed, immutable, and decentralized system for recording truth without needing middlemen. That's solid, and that's blockchain. If you enjoyed this content, remember to like and subscribe. In future videos, we will be discussing how the blockchain can be applied to everyday activities to make our lives a little safer and more secure.